How can we add instructional text and help text to forms created on Salesforce with FormBuilder Rx? When building public-facing forms and portals on Salesforce, sometimes it is necessary to insert instructional text or help text in order to clarify the process for users. In the case of FormBuilder Rx, we have several options to help make it easier for end users to understand what they're supposed to do on any given form. Let's take a look at an example of a form. Here we can see a form which collects several fields of information, including last name. But what if we wanted to make some enhancements to the page in order to clarify certain instructions? If we flip to the back-end page builder and click to expand a particular field, in this case last name, so here we can see that we have several options. One option may be to insert hover text so that the end user will then be presented with more instructions on the form. For example, if we insert the following text, "Please provide your surname or family name here," and refresh the front-facing page, now we see that the end user is provided a hover option with more info. On the back end, we also could have chosen to add instructional text. Note that we have the option to even determine where the instructional text should display on the form, be it over or under the field or label. If we select one of the options and save the change, now when we refresh the front end, we can see the instructional text appears where we set it to display. Another option is to insert placeholder text into the field. Here we can see as we insert the placeholder text and save, so when we refresh the front-facing page, the field now has temporary instructional text in place. As the user begins to type, the placeholder text will disappear and be replaced with their info in the form. If that's not clear enough, we can also control the label of the Salesforce field, so that it will display differently on this particular form. In this example, let's just change the label to the text of the instruction and save again. Upon refresh, we can see that the public-facing form has changed again, with the label of the field now reflecting a customized word, message, or even language. That is how Salesforce organizations can use FormBuilder Rx to insert instructional text on forms.